Good morning, student. So, this is the fifth part of this chapter, so let's get started. So, previously we were discussing about Margie's school. She was not going outside, and her class teacher was a machine, and her school was at her house, so she was not going anywhere outside. Now, moving on to the story. Now, why did Margie hate school? Margie's school was a virtual classroom. What is virtual classroom? You might have heard a computer, you might have seen a computer, how they are doing online classes. Same it was with Margie. It was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. So in the future, we are thinking that the school will be virtual classroom. There will be a machine that will be teaching the children there that will be teaching the children. Margie hated this machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography which were very difficult for her, and she was performing very bad. Finally, her mother thought that there was something wrong with the machine, and so she had called the country inspector to check it. So now you got the point why her mother called the country inspector, because the machine was not performing very nicely. So that is the reason her mother called country inspector. So moving on to the story, the country inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. So this man opened the machine. He was there to repair the computer. Margie had hoped that he would know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. All after an hour or so, there was again large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Once he had opened the computer, Margie wishes that he would be unable to close it back because she did not like the computer. She did not like to study from this teacher, but the man was an expert, and within an hour he had repaired the computer and had closed it and made it ready to teach Margie once again. Margie gives a description of the computer. She feels that it is very huge. It is black in color and she dislikes its appearance. It has a big screen and all the lessons appear on the screen, and many questions are asked on the same screen which are difficult for Margie. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. So, what is slot? Have you heard this name slot, my dear student? Slot, you might have seen old means you might have seen previously in the railway stations there were a weight machine where you have to put a coin inside that weight machine, and one sleep type comes and it shows your weight. So that type of slot machine were there. So she has to keep that marks inside there, then she gets the result. So that thing is called as a slot machine. So moving on to the story, Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test paper to it. She always had to write them out in a punch code that made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Margie had to write her homework on her test paper in the particular punch code that is a computing language. She had learned the language at the age of 6. The machine checked the paper and calculate her marks in a few seconds. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Miss Jones." Who is Miss Jones? Margie's mother. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Here, country inspector explains that the machine was not properly fitted, or it was not properly given time. So it was not that Margie's fault, it was not properly handled. So the country inspector said that Margie was getting a bad marks in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was geared to a higher level. The level was not properly that machine. Because of that, she got less marks. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average to a 10-year-old level. So thank you so much.